Okay, we're at the new shop, got all moved in, so let's go inside and check it out, and we'll show you the different rooms and kind of show you some footage of the actual moving process because it was a huge disaster. So let's go in. We've got 3 offices in front. The first one is going to be my recording room. So got it all soundproofed, so the audio is not going to be as terrible as the last video. I still don't have the backdrop all the way set up how I want. There's no shoes cut in half yet. I don't exactly know what I'm going to do for it, but it works for now. Next room, or office I guess, is my office. So this is where I'll do all the video editing and office work, the daily grind of business life. Also where I'm currently living. The third room is the room SHMOXD taken.
Hi, I've never filmed before. This is great.
There he is. Show him your room, SHMOXD.
So, it's the same setup as Weston's filming room. And the plan so far is to do probably my filming table somewhere here, I don't know. And then my editing space. And then the cool thing is I'm gonna have Rachel METZ. She does like home improvement. She has a YouTube channel, super rad. She is going to hopefully renovate the space before I move in. So that's
It's kind of blank in here. It's only full of Brex and Brittany's slowest pen ever. And Strudels. Oh, catastrophe.
What?
Show him the new kitty.
Come here.
Look at this sweet angel. Look at those eyes.
You're just a sweetheart.
And SHMOXD and I are gonna join together on our Instagram, Instagram account. So I'll put the Instagram account for Strudel and
Baby boy Toasted out
Toasty right there. I'll put their Instagram in this video because we haven't decided on a name yet. Okay, next room is kind of like this open area.
Shoot, here I come. There we go.
Next room is kind of this open area, bathrooms. And right now it's just kind of overflow storage from the move. Like all this scrap leather, some extra machines we don't use super often, all the boots and shoes that are cut in half. And the goal with this is to get to a point where we're teaching classes out here, because I want to teach like wallet making classes, bag making, belts, general leatherworking classes, like tooling and stuff, because I really want to teach classes because leather working is kind of like a dying art. So being able to share something that's a dying art that happens to also be my passion is like my dream. So stay tuned for leather classes. And then over here is where Brittany does all the customer service and stuff, and all the shipping and all the quality control. And back here is where the actual production takes place. No AC in this bad boy. You guys have seen kind of all the other machines from the other shop tour, but the basic setup is, and we're still moving in, it's still kind of a disaster in here, but we're getting slowly moved in. We're fully operational again, which is nice, but we're far from completely organized and completely set up. But for now, kind of the general setup is this area over here is the harness making area. Got the clicker, strap cutter, all the parts. Over here will be the wallet making area. Got the laser here. We're gonna move the filing cabinets that have all the parts of each individual wallet scooted over there. And then we're gonna have the pallet racking with the leather laid flat over here at some point. And then that's pretty much it for the back shop area. You guys have kind of already seen all the different tools and stuff. This is where the ring making takes place. And I'm gonna start making more rings more often because they're really fun to do. And I love making rings that people send me really unique things to inlay. Recently, I inlaid this piece of barbed wire that someone got from their childhood farm that they worked on, inlaid that into a ring. We've done like tiger whiskers. Someone sent us like microchips to be ground up and inlaid because they work in the tech industry. So we start doing some more rings more often. I think I'm gonna post a couple videos on some of the rings too, because they're really interesting and fun to do. So I think that's pretty much everything. That's the shop. That's the new setup. But this is kind of a temporary setup. The goal is to get to a point where I'm not renting a shop, because we're spending a ton of money every single month just in paying rent. And my dream is to have a shop that's kind of like this. Maybe not, I'd like some AC, but to have a shop where people can come that know Rose Anvil and know the channel. They can come take some classes, come see the production, be a part of the production. If they order a wallet, they can come and like watch it be made, and just kind of share my passion with a lot of people, and have like a shop in the front where you can check out all the products, try on a camera harness, check out the wallets, and just have a place that's not an industrial strip without AC. So that's the goal, hopefully within a year or two. So that's the shop tour. Thanks to my dad for helping me with the move. He brought a 52-foot semi, because he owns a business that he has a semi, and we filled that up. We filled the U-Haul up, and I'm so glad we're done with the move. And I don't ever want to move again, even though I want another shop. So back to regular schedule, and I think that's everything. Shmoo's posting that video about fixing up his part of the shop with who? What's her name?
Rachel METZ.
Rachel METZ. So that video will be coming out soon, and I'll let you guys know when that posts.
Woo.
And that's everything. Thanks for everything you guys do. See ya.